Hey guys, I'm HilYo from Struggle Beauty, and we are at Fashion Valley Mall in San Diego, California. Why? Because the struggle is real, right? Can't you tell? Actually, we're here to get my makeup done because we have a full day of stuff that we need to capture, and I need this face beat. So let's go. Our appointment starts in 7 minutes. We're almost late. Let's do this.
How do you want your makeup today?
I actually want like a relatively dramatic look.
Okay. Do a picture for inspiration or color inspo.
No, I'm really underprepared.
Okay, it's okay. Do you want like a black smoky eye for dramatic? Do you want dark brown smoky eye?
So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to interrupt real quick. I left a message for the guy that I spoke to the other week that we were told by the store we were not able to film. So so we're not able to film during the makeover. Like you're allowed to take pictures and stuff like that, but not any filming.
Okay.
Yeah. So pictures are completely allowed. We're just not allowed filming. It's like the marketing team from just doesn't allow it. Yeah. There was like this whole email that went out when I sent in the question.
Okay.
Yeah, but pictures are allowed. You know, obviously capture the moment. Just filming's not allowed for us.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Sorry. Thank you.
Now, how do you get the realistic strokes and like the starting of the brow to being real?
I always start by like drawing a line under the brow.
Sorry, I feel like I'm like.
Oh, you're great. All good.
No.
Wonderful.
He's taking a little bit of pictures, but I don't need to have him take pictures for an hour straight.
Yeah,
You know, like,
yeah.
It's not going to be the same effect.
Yeah.
So he was going to maybe just go grab lunch and come back closer to the end.
Okay. And so you can get like the final.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because there's just no point in him standing around and taking pictures for an hour. So maybe Justin, like if you don't mind going to grab lunch, keep yourself busy and then come back like at 15 till 1. Thank you. Hi, I'm back, and your girl's face is beat to the gods, yes. But you know, this is Struggle Beauty, so that doesn't mean that just because she's cute, that this didn't go off without any issues. Even though we called 2 times prior when we were setting up our appointments, confirming our appointments, they told us that once we got there that we couldn't film. So that sucks because we went through all the proper things to inform them, ask them, confirm with them that we could film and it was all good. And they told us yes, and then we showed up and they said no. But overall, outside of that experience, which was totally lame, I actually really like the way my makeup came out. I think she did a really good job. She was very gentle. She handled my face nicely, and I really liked that she addressed kind of the concerns I had with the products that she felt would work best. I mean, that's pretty obvious. She's trying to get me to buy stuff, so you know, they're gonna really try and address my needs with what they have. I'm not yet sold on if this will work for me. You know, I've been trying to find like a good quality foundation and stuff that will work for my skin tone, my, you know, skin composition, etc. But, you know, we'll find out. We got like a long day ahead of us. We have to do some more travel. We're heading from San Diego to LA next. But overall, as I walk out of that store, I really like the look. I think she did a good job. And yeah, you know, I'm ready to take some pictures, girl. Of course, you know, I'll keep you guys updated and the search will continue. The journey will go on. we'll get our makeup done elsewhere and we'll find the perfect amount of product that will work. And hopefully I can get my skill up to speed and, you know, maybe one day this won't be so much of a struggle. Till then, you know, I can't wait to keep on trucking with you guys. Yeah, that's it. We gotta go. We gotta get on the road to LA. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Sorry, I just like stumbled out of the scene. Well, so I should turn this way. Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my podcast channel, Pink Theory. We talk about a lot of cool stuff, which I can't wait to share with you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Pink Theory. And don't forget to rinse and repeat, because I'll catch you on the flip side. Yay, we recorded some shit.